Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making instant khoya. It is very easy recipe, very yummy recipe. Inshallah you will like it. So let's show you how we made this khoya. I hope you will like it. First of all, we'll take a frying pan and we'll add 2 cup dry milk or milk powder in it. Then we'll add 1 cup water. You have to take good company the milk powder, otherwise it won't be well. Now we will add 2 tablespoons sugar into this mixture of milk and water. Now we'll mix it well. After that we'll use a spatula instead of a whisker. Now I have taken aside the spatula and I will cook with the spatula, and we will keep cooking on medium to low, and we will continuously keep stirring the khoya, otherwise it will get burned and even the smell will be bad. Now you can see our khoya is starting to form. We will keep cooking it for 1 to 2 minutes more and then our recipe will be ready. You have to keep stirring as I am still stirring in it. You don't have to stop or the khoya will get burned. Now you can see our recipe is ready. So now we will dish out the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our khoya recipe is ready. If you like our recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends. Inshallah we will meet with you with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.